What are you doing, boy? Hmm?
Well, we're cleaning out this fuel tank because it's leaking because of rust. So we've just put some of that aqua clean stuff from eBay in it, and now we're just rinsing it out with water to get anything else out and the aqua clean. So
Oh.
this is our third time washing.
Tank sealer. It's the that you put in the tank. Right, in we go.
Slime. You know the thing, Michael, that we started with? Oh, that's disgusting.
Android spew. Fanbite spew. Alright, I'm going to put a bit more
Hang
in
on.
there.
So before and after, yeah.
So I'm going to stick a bit of flash tack over here to seal it up so that we don't clag up the cap, man. And I'm going to, of course, give it a go. Oh my God, with the blue torch. Yeah, melt that stuff. Oh, melt it. Oh my God, no. Really good for temporary to permanent repairs on roofs and stuff. I'm just going to stick it over the filler hole and then we can slush that around in there. Oh! If only...
He's doing all the hard work. Wow. Me and Fer just...
I'm just watching.
Yeah.
I could make you do this.
Oh, I'm good, thank you.
You got to roll it right around the whole thing.
Yeah, mostly the bottom though, because it's leaking out of the bottom.
Got a leaky bottom.
We'll have a look up and down too. Oh yeah, that mostly got it. And what about down? Down. Oh, it's got a baffle in the tank. It's like slime going through a hole. That's only short, not far from where we are. And then it'll have to be swooshed around in there.
I'm covering for a lot of files for editing purposes because a lot of the files went missing over the next few days and I have no clue where they are. And I've got all of the files from all the cameras we used. So we let it set for a few days. I think it was even a week that we let that stuff set for. Sealed it all up. It was all good. And now we're on to painting. So enjoy the time lapse. Just as I was about to finish, it ran out. Yay! I wonder what the consequences could result in if I left that in. That is the consequence. Well, I'd be an idiot to drop that then, wouldn't I? No. Right, bolting quick. So, what do you call a cow that's godly? Legendary. Ah! My mate got a pet squirrel. You could even say that's nuts. Ta-da! So it's pretty much all done. I fixed my stupidity issue by dropping it, and so I just dodgily repainted it. Of course now the bugs are all over it. Get off! Now, don't ruin my dodgy paint job. So let's connect the fuel line, shall we? Alright, so Furry's going to do the honours of putting the first bit of fuel in the freshly painted fuel tank.
Well, see if it leaks for a start.
Yeah, that would be a bummer, because we'll have to do that whole process again.
Yeah, that would suck.
Ooh. Alright, she's got some fuel in her. Alright, so I got the furry man to pull that fuel line through. So let's try our best to put it on, shall we? I'll just loosen that a wee bit. Push that back.
Might need to get a fuel line, although maybe just needed a little bit more force.
Yeah,
Yeah, so you need to open that out a bit and then move it over. You right?
alright, let's do this monkey business. Alright, well that's cool. I'll just check all my just checking clamps for fuel. For the fuel line. Black.
Whatever works for you, man.
It'd be good if we could just take the belt off. Actually, we will have to at some point. Right, progress update.
Well, it's kind of wired up. I need to get the switches connected and the voltage regulator and that sort of thing in there, but it does allow me to turn it over.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, and all you need to do is put some fuel in it and
She'll pop off.
see if we can get it to actually fire.
Well,
Hang on, wait, I better actually hold these together because I haven't connected the switch up yet.
that's ow. Let's see. Hey, I'm kind of nervous.
Huh.
I don't know.
Okay.
This is this beast's first time moving in a fair few months.
fuel tap's off.